Hi, my name is Hunter Workman, and I am one of the main contributors of the project Bib Size Affects Social Dominance of Harris Sparrows. I collaborated with Max Shu and my mentor being Dr. Chris Butler here at University of Central Oklahoma. So Harris Sparrows are a type of sparrow that comes down to Oklahoma for the winter. And as you can see in figure 1, you can see they have black spots on them. And that's one of the key factors that you can use to determine if it's a Harris Sparrow or not. Only the male breeding sparrows show these black spots here in figure 1. So we were coming up with a hypothesis to see if the black spots on the birds have something to do with the social hierarchy they have. So we hope the results of our study lead to a more in-depth study of the species, behavioral ecology, and the bib size may impact like mate selection, clutch fitness, or even migratory success. So here in January 2022, we set out bird seed mixes at 3 separate locations here in Edmond, Oklahoma at Mitch Park, as well as in Oklahoma City at Stars and Stripes Park. And we began recording Harris Sparrow interactions and where the black spots are shown on the bird. The study was strictly observational. We didn't have a license to capture these birds. So to figure out a way to do this, we decided to still be able to measure the black spots, but strictly on observation. So we divided the bird into 5 regions, that being the cap, the face, the bib, breast, and the belly. We also wanted to qualify or figure out how they would be rated on a dominance scale of 1 to 5. So we're scaling them from 1, that being they're alone and not communicating with other birds, and 5 being very vocal and having a lot of social interactions with other birds, such as like a bird like this having like 4 breeding females or 4 juveniles around him. That kind of social interaction would be rated on like a 5 on the scale, and a 1 being a bird that's alone and away from like all the other birds. We're still continuing this study all the way until April 2022. These are just the preliminary results for the research day. So as you can see in figure 2 and 3, 3 being the data table for the scatter plot in figure 2, we can see a linear correlation of the black regions on the bird. As the number goes up with that, so there's the social dominance of the individuals. So with this highly correlation, we figured out a R value and a p-value, and the p-value being less than 0.05, so we had significant results. This disproving our null hypothesis of that being black spots have nothing to do with social dominance. We were able to come up with the results that support our hypothesis of bib size and color opaqueness as an indicator of social dominance. So in conclusion, several interspecies interactions has shown that the larger full black bib that covers the bib, cap, face, and the top of the breast, as indicated in figure 1, is a good indication that the bird stands in a higher place in the hierarchy compared to juvenile birds or birds with small bibs. Thank you, and have a great day.